Welcome to Health After 60. Today we uncover the hidden truth behind chronic knee pain that doctors often miss entirely. Many seniors believe that knee pain is just a natural part of aging, but that is simply not the truth. While the pain is felt in the knee, the root cause is often hiding much higher up in your hips. The real culprit behind your suffering is likely weak glute muscles, which fail to support the alignment of your legs. Your glutes are the powerhouse of the lower body, responsible for keeping your femur bone perfectly aligned while you move. When these crucial muscles become weak, your thigh bone rotates inward, creating a dangerous condition known as valgus knee collapse. This inward rotation creates excessive shear force and stress on the delicate structures both inside and outside of your knee. Fixing the knee without addressing the hip is like changing a tire on a car with a bent axle frame. Today, we will guide you through 5 specific exercises designed to wake up those dormant glutes and protect your knees. These movements are simple, effective, and can be done right from the comfort of your own living room every day. Let us look deeper at the mechanics. Weak glutes allow the femur to roll in, twisting the knee joint painfully. Every step you take with weak hips sends a shockwave of instability directly down into the knee joint and ligaments. The gluteus medius is particularly important here, acting as the primary stabilizer that prevents your hip from dropping sideways. If you struggle with stairs or getting out of chairs, it is a clear sign your glutes need immediate attention. Over time, this misalignment wears down cartilage, leading to bone-on-bone friction that is excruciatingly painful and difficult to reverse. However, the good news is that muscles can be strengthened at any age, restoring balance and reducing pain significantly. We will start with the most gentle exercise, perfect for beginners or those currently experiencing acute knee pain levels. This is the resistance band clamshell done while lying on your back to completely remove gravity from the equation. Place the band just above your knees. Keep your feet flat on the floor and spread comfortably apart for stability. Gently push your knees outward against the band's resistance. You should feel the outer hips engaging almost immediately. Control the movement as you bring your knees back together. Do not let the band snap your legs inward quickly. This movement isolates the gluteus medius without putting any weight or pressure on the knee joint itself. Aim for 15 repetitions. If you feel pain, reduce the range of motion or use a lighter resistance band. Keep your feet glued to the floor. Lifting them changes the muscle focus and reduces the effectiveness for the hips. Rest for a moment. This exercise is excellent for waking up the muscles before we move to harder variations. Now we advance to the bridge with glute band. This is a compound movement that builds significant strength and stability. Keep the band around your knees. This addition forces your glutes to work double time to maintain proper alignment. Press through your heels to lift your hips. At the top, squeeze your glutes hard while pushing knees outward. Avoid arching your lower back. The power must come from your hips, not from hyperextending your lumbar spine. The band will try to pull your knees together. Fight it by keeping constant outward pressure throughout the entire movement. This powerful combination activates all 3 gluteal muscles simultaneously, providing a robust support system for your knee joints. Lower yourself slowly back to the mat. Do not just drop. The downward phase builds control and prevents injury. If you feel this in your lower back, you are lifting too high. Focus on the glute squeeze instead. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions. This exercise builds the posterior chain strength necessary for walking and standing upright. Take a brief rest. Hydrate, if needed. We are now moving to a classic exercise known as the clam. Lie on your side with your legs stacked and knees bent. Use your arm or a pillow to support your head. Your heels should be in line with your glutes. This alignment is crucial for targeting the correct muscle fibers. Keep your feet touching and lift your top knee as high as possible without moving your pelvis or lower back. Do not roll your hips backward. Imagine there is a wall behind you preventing your body from rotating open. Place your hand on your top hip. If it moves backward, you are cheating the movement and losing effectiveness. This specific rotation strengthens the deep hip rotators, which are essential for preventing the knee from twisting while walking. Pause for a second at the top. Feel the burn in the side of your hip, not in your thigh. Remember to switch sides. We must strengthen both hips equally to maintain a balanced gait and prevent compensation injuries. Perform 12 repetitions on each side. Consistency with this exercise often yields rapid improvements in knee stability. Next is the side-lying leg lift. Straighten your top leg while keeping the bottom leg bent for balance support. Lift your top leg toward the ceiling. Lead the movement with your heel, not your toes, for maximum engagement. Bring the leg slightly backward as you lift. This subtle angle targets the gluteus medius much more effectively. Do not swing the leg forward. That uses the hip flexors, which are likely already tight and do not need strengthening. Imagine you are trying to touch the wall behind you with your heel. Length is just as important as height. Hold the lifted position briefly. You should feel a deep, tiring sensation in the upper side of your buttock. Strengthening this specific muscle allows you to walk on uneven ground or hike without your knees collapsing inward. Lower slowly, but do not rest completely at the bottom. Keep the tension alive throughout the entire set of 10. Switch sides and repeat. It is normal for one side to feel weaker than the other. Focus on that side. Finally, we have the standing hip abduction. Stand tall and hold a chair or wall for safety and balance. Lift one leg out to the side while keeping your body perfectly upright. Do not lean your torso to compensate. Keep a soft bend in your standing knee. Locking it out can cause unnecessary strain on the joint capsule. Lead with your heel again. Turning your toes slightly inward will help isolate the glute medius even more effectively. This is the most functional exercise of all. You can do this while waiting for your morning coffee to brew. Perform 15 repetitions on each leg. It is an excellent pre-walk warm-up to activate your hips before heading out. These 5 exercises form a complete strategy to rebuild your hip strength and take the pressure off your knees. Start with the first 2 exercises if you are in pain, and gradually add the others as you get stronger. Consistency is the key to success. Doing a little bit every day is far better than one intense session weekly. Imagine walking through the park, playing with grandchildren, or climbing stairs without that familiar sharp pain in your knees. That reality is possible. Your body has an amazing capacity to heal and adapt, regardless of your current age. Invite a friend or spouse to join you. Staying active together makes the journey easier and much more enjoyable. Do not let knee pain define your golden years. Take control of your mobility starting right now, today. Always listen to your body. If pain increases, stop and consult a professional. Safety must always be your priority. Recovery takes time. Be patient with yourself. Every repetition is a deposit into your long-term health bank account. Remember to stay hydrated and eat protein-rich foods to help your muscles repair and grow stronger after exercise. Let's review the bridge one last time. It is the king of glute exercises for a reason. Master it. Breathe deeply. Connect your mind to your muscles. Intentional movement is far more effective than mindless repetition. As these become easy, switch to a thicker band. Progressive resistance is necessary to keep making strength gains. Keep a journal of your exercises. Seeing your progress on paper can be a powerful motivator to keep going. Small changes in your daily routine add up. You are building a foundation for a pain-free, active future. The world is waiting for you to explore it. Do not let weak muscles keep you trapped inside your home. Strong glutes mean you can stand up, sit down, and move around with dignity and complete independence. Your body is an interconnected machine. Treat it with respect, fuel it well, and strengthen it consistently. If you only have time for one exercise, make it the clam or the bridge. They offer the best returns. Being active connects you with your community. It improves your mood and mental health alongside your physical well-being. Monitor your activity. Aim for gradual increases in your daily step count as your knee pain begins to subside. Preparation is key. Wear supportive shoes and prepare your body with these exercises before any long periods of walking. Your health affects your loved ones too. Staying strong allows you to be present for the moments that matter most. After strengthening, a little gentle stretching can help keep muscles pliable. Balance strength with flexibility for best results. We cannot stress this enough. consistency beats intensity. Commit to these 5 movements for just 1 month. Mark it on your calendar. Make an appointment with yourself that you simply do not cancel. You are worth it. You will notice your posture improving. You will stand taller. Your lower back pain might even disappear alongside your knee pain. Strong glutes act as shock absorbers. They take the heavy impact so your poor knee joints do not have to. Keep practicing the standing abduction. It directly mimics the phase of walking where you need stability the most. Visualize your knees staying straight and strong with every step. Mental imagery helps reinforce correct movement patterns. Gardening, cleaning, shopping, all these daily tasks become easier when your glutes are firing correctly. Less pain means better sleep. Better sleep means more energy. It is a positive cycle that starts with exercise. Take control. Do not let age be an excuse. Your muscles do not know how old you are. They only respond to stimulus. You can build strength at 60, 70, or even 80. The biological potential is there waiting to be unlocked. You do not need a gym membership. You do not need expensive machines. You just need intention and a simple band. When you are done, pack your tools away, knowing you have done something incredibly positive for your future self. Visualize the change. See your legs becoming straighter, stronger, and more reliable. Belief is a powerful part of healing. Your doctor will likely be amazed at your progress. Many surgeries have been canceled simply by strengthening these muscles. Confidence comes from trust in your body. Rebuild that trust rep by rep, day by day, exercise by exercise. Your knees have carried you this far. Give them the support they deserve so they can carry you further. Review the list: clamshells, bridges, side lifts, standing abductions. Memorize them. Make them a part of your daily hygiene. Thank you for joining us today. Investing 15 minutes in your health pays dividends for the rest of your life. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button so we can reach more seniors in pain. Share this with a friend who complains about their knees. You might just change their life with this information. We release new videos every week dedicated to keeping you strong, active, and healthy well after the age of 60. Do not forget to subscribe to Health After 60. We are here to support your journey to pain-free living. Please remember to consult with your physician before starting any new exercise program to ensure it is safe for you. Check out our other videos on joint nutrition and mobility. There is a wealth of knowledge waiting for you. Keep moving, keep strengthening, and never give up on your body. You are stronger than you think. Here is to your health, your mobility, and your independence. Thank you for watching and trusting us with your time. This has been a presentation of Health After 60, dedicated to helping you age with strength, grace, and vitality. Stay tuned for our next episode where we tackle shoulder pain. Until then, stay active and take care. Goodbye for now. Have a wonderful, active day ahead. See you in the next video.